Did you know a 13th century emperor killed babies to find the language of God? Frederick II was called the wonder of the world, ruling the Holy Roman Empire with brilliant intellect and ruthless curiosity. But his thirst for knowledge led him down a dark path. He believed newborns would naturally speak the original divine language if left untouched by human speech. So he designed a twisted experiment. Dozens of babies were taken from their mothers and given to wet nurses with strict orders. No talking, no singing, no cooing. Complete silence. The nurses could feed and clean the infants, but showing any affection was forbidden. Frederick watched obsessively, waiting for divine words to emerge from innocent lips. But instead of heavenly language, something horrifying happened. One by one, every single baby died, not from disease or hunger, but from the absence of human warmth and interaction. His quest to find God's voice revealed something else entirely. Love isn't luxury for children, it's survival.